Okay, so today we're going to dig up some peanuts. We had frost a couple weeks ago. The tops have died back. We're letting the bed dry out, and now we're going to dig some peanuts. Peanuts are pretty cool because they grow underground. And so what happens is when you dig up the plant, you look underneath, and there's peanuts in the soil beneath the plant. Just plumb full of peanuts. They're all over the place. So here's one I've shaken a little bit of the dirt off, and you can see how the peanuts grow. It's really interesting because what the plant does is it sends down this thing called a peg, and you can see these pegs right here. So these pegs, when they go in the soil, they produce a nut on the end. See, here's one that didn't have time to finish. This is a warm season crop. These have been growing here for, I don't know, 95, 100 days, something like that. We got a little bit of a late start. I do believe that longer would be better, but they're fun. They're easy to grow, and they improve the soil because they're a legume. We can break one of these off, crack it open, and there's our peanuts.